To find your clipboard on Android is pretty simple. After you typed something and you copied it, this will temporarily be saved on your clipboard. In order for us to retrieve it on our Android device is pretty simple. Let's say for instance, after we type hello and we decided to copy it by tapping on copy. So on your keyboard, you will see this arrow icon here. Make sure to tap on it. In the event yours isn't like this, just proceed to look for this option, which is here. Immediately tap on it, the copied item will be captured on your clipboard and it is located here. So if you want to paste it, all you have to do is to tap on it, and that's it. You have pasted your clipboard. And let me try it again. Just tap on it again, it will paste. And in the event you've copied multiple items here, so let's say for instance I type hi and then I copied it again, and I want to retrieve all the information that I've copied. So all I have to do is to come back to this arrow which is located on our keyboard, and immediately I tap on it and then proceed to tap on this icon. It will pull out the list of items that I've copied on my clipboard. A caveat to note, this is temporarily stored here. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and give this video a like. See you in the next video.